Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chiwo siem ne jogo duto manie telo ma osebedo ka tiyo gi thuolo margi e kwepo chulo osuru ni kuomgi sani koro omokerot. Ruto manoloso e romo mar jood bura e kaunti ma Mombasa bende osiemo jood bura mondo mi owere kod tim mar medo muom mag bajet ka giwegi ging'eyo malong'o nyalo mar piny Kenya. Jojaoko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Piny Kenya William Ruto oramo ni kinde kor ochopo mar jotelo duto ma yande leng'o wach chulo ushuru mondo mi ochak chudo kaka jo Kenya mamoko.
We cannot continue to operate in a space where those in power exempt themselves from paying taxes using all manner of instruments, while those who do not have as much power pay tax. All I am saying is that the good people who are used to exempting themselves from paying tax, their day is up. Every citizen must pay tax.
Ruto maniloso e romo mane okelo kanyakla jood bura mar romo Mombasa koni ed midhiero ni thoth jo Kenya mayuto gi ni piny ema piny owacho osebedo ka thung'o gi wach chulo ushuru ka jotelo mamoko to ok chudi.
And it doesn't matter. Even if they sponsor demonstrations so that they don't pay tax, I want to promise them they will pay tax. There's no more exemption. This country is not the animal farm, where some are more equal than others.
Paro manyiso chwalo mar dwaro ni jotend migepe odadhogi e od bura okoni en mano mar neno ni oket tende tesri ma ok temo loko chike ma pacho ka.
Cabinet secretaries answering questions directly to members of parliament. It was not an issue of trying to renegotiate the constitution. It is an issue of accountability. I am a very strong believer that a government is as good as the accountability mechanism that has been put in place.
I must report to Your Excellency that indeed the relevant committees have already begun work to review some of these standing orders, including the provision to allow cabinet secretaries to appear before the House and some of the other issues that the leader of minority has spoken to.
Speaker mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula to ne korka kore omedo goyo poro ne wache gucho muom mar CDF ka bende osingo ne jood bura ni onge kuma gucho muom no endo biro dhiye.
It is our duty to avoid increase in budgetary allocations regardless of financing capacity and to endeavor at all times to use our offices as servants of the people to ensure that government lives within its means.
What I want to assure you, honorable members, and this I speak with authority because we have consulted widely and deeply, is that CDF is here to stay.
I was a member of parliament when there was no CDF. I was a member of parliament when we introduced CDF. I know the difference. It is like day and night.
Twak ewi wach duol mochung'ne tayo yiero e pachoka IEBC ne bende onyuolo paro mopogore ka jaod bura ma Ogunja James Opiyo Wandayi koni nyaka to none matut.
Today, just like in the election of 2007, the integrity of the IEBC is being put to question. There are serious doubts about IEBC's future capacity to deliver credible elections. The very existence of IEBC is in doubt. We have earned the dubious distinction as a country whose electoral body was split into two at a most crucial phase of its undertakings. We cannot therefore afford to approach the sensitive tasks of reconstituting the IEBC in a business as usual manner.
We cannot continue to take our disagreements to the judiciary. If anything, we are surrendering the legitimacy of the houses to the judiciary.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koni jogo duto moko osebedo ka chulo ushuru nyaka to koro wuog oko mar neno ni ji duto ma jo Kenya romre korka wach yuto ma pacho ka. George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.